United. But does my Buster, the parrot, love Man United? Let's see what happens when I play him a United tune. Hello, Buster. What's the matter, son? Do you like it? Look. See, even the birds get scared of United songs. United, go United, go United. That's what happens to all the teams in Premiership when we come to their hometown. Like this Buster and a Buster, they all get scared. Yes, Buster, we love Man United. We do. Say hello. Right, go. So when they see Man United, they run away. Hello, son. What's the matter with you, eh? What's this? Come on, Kate. What's that? What's this? What's this? Come on. Come on, son. Someone try to come to your place. What would you do? Hey, what do? You bite them. You bite them. That's it. Go on. No. Hey, that's it. That's it. Do you let anyone come into your place? Expect Manchester United? That's what happens to other people. Look. Now, when Man United go into the cage, hey, they get scared. Look, United. That's what happens. So, Premiership, watch out next season. We'll be coming after you.